In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain name with Hostgator. If you're looking to establish your online presence, securing a domain name is your first step, and I'll be guiding you through the entire process right here. The beauty of using a platform like Hostgator is that it not only offers domain registration, but also a variety of hosting services, making it a one-stop shop for all your website needs. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to HostGator's website. You can easily find them by typing hostgator.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean and navigable homepage offering multiple services, but our focus today is registering a domain. Now, to proceed with the domain registration, you need to sign in to your HostGator account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the sign in option. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. It's a straightforward process, just like signing up for any other online service. After signing in, you'll be taken to your HostGator home dashboard. Here, you're going to look for a section related to websites. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your previous website projects or an option to create a new one. In our case, we need to create a new website, so go ahead and click on Website. The next step is crucial because it's where we'll actually initiate the domain registration process. Look for the option that says ADDA Domain. This is your direct access to securing your desired domain name. Once you click on this, you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to domain management. On this page, you'll not only see any domains you currently own, but also have the opportunity to buy new ones. Click on Buy a Domain and you'll find a search bar. Here you can enter the domain name that you wish to purchase and press enter. It's always a good practice to brainstorm a few names beforehand just in case your first choice isn't available. After entering your desired domain name, HostGator will display whether it's available or suggest alternatives if it's already taken. Once you find one that you like and is available, you can proceed with the purchase. Be sure to review the pricing and registration terms before confirming your purchase. And that's it, you've successfully registered a domain name with HostGator. Make sure to note down the domain registration confirmation details for future reference. By following these steps, you're now one step closer to building your online presence. So well done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.